Welcome to Trendy Output YouTube channel. Today I am going to try Suhana Paneer Butter Masala Mix. Just add milk, tomato and paneer. Its weight 50 grams. Price 45 rupees. Let's open the contents of the pack. Here we can see Paneer Butter Masala Mix. Let's start the preparation. Take a bowl, make a paste of Suhana Paneer Butter Masala mix and milk. Now add 100 ml of milk. Mix it well without forming lumps. Paste is ready. Now keep aside and cut the paneer pieces. Take 250 grams of paneer, cut into pieces. Paneer pieces also ready. Now take a pan, heat a pan, take 2 tablespoons of oil. Next add 2 medium tomatoes or 150 grams tomato puree. Cook it 4 to 5 minutes or until oil comes out. After cooking the tomato puree, next add Suhana Paneer Butter Masala mix paste. Mix it well and cook it for 1 to 2 minutes on low flame. Next add 200 ml of water. Paneer and 45 grams butter. Cook for 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame or till gravy thickens. Cooking completed. Now transfer to bowl and serve hot. If you want, you can add cream for garnish purpose. Coming to review, the taste is very good and delicious with good balance of spices. This mix is very convenient for quick cooking, reducing the effort needed to make paneer masala from scratch. It is made without artificial colors, flavors or preservatives, which is a plus for many. Definitely you can try at your home. That's it. Thank you for visiting Trendy Output YouTube channel.